A sword hanging by a thread, the US and Iran on the brink, the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow passage where the lifeblood of global energy flows, a flashpoint in the tumultuous relationship between the United States and Iran. In this volatile region, where ancient rivalries clash with modern geopolitics, the specter of conflict looms large. The simmering tensions, fueled by nuclear ambitions and proxy wars, threaten to boil over into open warfare. On one side, the United States, a global superpower with a formidable military presence in the region. On the other, Iran, a nation with a proud history and a determination to assert its influence. Both sides possess arsenals capable of inflicting significant damage. The balance of power is precarious, and any miscalculation could have catastrophic consequences. The possibility of a naval confrontation, a clash of warships and warplanes, is a chilling reminder of the fragility of peace. The question is, could they deliver a decisive blow in a 24-hour window? The Hornet's sting unveiling the A-18 Super Hornet's arsenal. The A-18 Super Hornet is not just a fighter jet, it's a marvel of modern engineering, a lethal instrument of air power. Designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, it is a versatile weapon system capable of projecting American power across the globe. Armed with a deadly array of missiles and bombs, the Super Hornet can engage multiple targets simultaneously. Its air-to-air missiles, including the AIM-120 AMRAAM, provide beyond visual range strike capabilities, while its air-to-ground arsenal, including laser-guided bombs and JDAMs, allows it to strike ground targets with pinpoint accuracy. Its advanced electronic warfare suite, including radar jamming equipment and chaff and flare dispensers, provides a critical edge in contested airspace. The Super Hornet's ability to operate from aircraft carriers is another key advantage. These floating airbases allow the U.S. Navy to project power anywhere in the world, providing unmatched flexibility and responsiveness. The Super Hornet's long range and aerial refueling capabilities further enhance its operational reach. A tale of two arsenals, A-18 Super Hornet versus Iranian defenses. Iran, despite facing decades of sanctions and arms embargoes, has assembled a formidable military force. While not on par with the technological sophistication of the U.S. military, Iran's asymmetric warfare capabilities pose a significant threat. Their strategy relies on exploiting vulnerabilities and maximizing damage with limited resources. Iran's air defenses, a mix of Russian-made S-300 and indigenous systems, are designed to create a layered defense network. While older than their Western counterparts, these systems, coupled with mobile launchers and radar installations, could pose a challenge to U.S. aircraft. Iran also possesses a vast arsenal of ballistic missiles, some with ranges capable of reaching U.S. bases in the region. These missiles, while lacking the accuracy of American counterparts, could inflict significant damage in a saturation attack. Iran's development of anti-ship ballistic missiles, specifically designed to target U.S. Navy vessels, is a further concern. Adding another layer of complexity are Iran's naval capabilities. While lacking a traditional blue water navy, Iran has invested heavily in fast attack craft and small submarines, designed to operate in the shallow waters of the Persian Gulf. These vessels, armed with torpedoes and anti-ship missiles, could pose a threat to U.S. warships, especially in the confined waters of the Strait of Hormuz. Proven in the crucible of combat, the F-A-18's operational history. The F-A-18 Super Hornet has been tested in the crucible of combat, proving its mettle in numerous conflicts. From the skies over Iraq and Afghanistan to the enforcement of no-fly zones, the Super Hornet has consistently demonstrated its versatility and effectiveness. During Operation Iraqi Freedom, Super Hornets flew thousands of sorties, striking key Iraqi military targets and providing air cover for ground troops. In Afghanistan, Super Hornets provided close air support to U.S. and allied forces, often operating in mountainous terrain and under constant threat from enemy fire. Their ability to deliver precision strikes while minimizing collateral damage was crucial in a counterinsurgency environment. The Super Hornet has also played a key role in enforcing no-fly zones, such as the one imposed over Libya in 2011. Their ability to patrol large areas for extended periods and respond quickly to any violations made them essential to the success of the operation. However, the Super Hornet has also faced challenges, including the vulnerability of aircraft carriers to attacks. Section 5. Guardian of the Seas. The F-A-18's pivotal role in U.S. naval strategy. The F-A-18 Super Hornet is not just a fighter jet, it is a cornerstone of U.S. naval strategy, a symbol of American power projection around the globe. Its ability to operate from aircraft carriers, those floating fortresses that extend American influence to every corner of the world, makes it a critical element in maintaining maritime dominance. In an era of great power competition, where rivals like China and Russia are expanding their naval capabilities, the role of the Super Hornet becomes even more critical. Its ability to project power far from American shores, to deter aggression and respond to crises, is a key element of U.S. national security. The Super Hornet's versatility is another key asset. It can conduct a wide range of missions from air superiority to strike and close air support, making it a valuable asset in any maritime scenario. The U.S. Navy's investment in upgrading and extending the service life of the Super Hornet fleet underscores its importance. Section 6, 24 Hours to Victory. A hypothetical engagement in the Strait of Hormuz. The hypothetical scenario, a sudden escalation in the Strait of Hormuz. Iranian forces, perhaps in response to a perceived provocation, launch a coordinated attack on U.S. naval assets. The goal to close the Strait of Hormuz, disrupt the flow of oil, and deliver a blow to American prestige. The initial Iranian assault could involve a barrage of anti-ship missiles launched from coastal batteries, fast attack craft, and potentially even submarines. Simultaneously, Iranian ballistic missiles could target U.S. bases in the region, attempting to cripple American air power before it can respond. The U.S. response would be swift and decisive. F-A-18 Super Hornets, scrambled from aircraft carriers positioned in the Arabian Sea, would be at the forefront of the counterattack. Their initial objective, to establish air superiority, eliminating Iranian air defenses and any aircraft that dare take to the skies. Once air control is achieved, the Super Hornets would focus on neutralizing Iranian missile batteries and naval assets. Section 7 Beyond the first 24 hours, the fog of war, and the unpredictable. While the F-A-18 Super Hornet would undoubtedly play a decisive role in the initial hours of a conflict with Iran, the outcome of a 24-hour engagement, let alone a protracted conflict, is far from certain. War is a chaotic and unpredictable endeavor, where even the most meticulously laid plans can unravel in the face of unforeseen circumstances. The fog of war, that all-encompassing uncertainty that descends upon any battlefield, would make it difficult to assess the situation, to distinguish friend from foe, and to make decisions with incomplete information. Iran, despite its technological disadvantages, would likely employ asymmetric tactics, seeking to exploit any vulnerabilities and inflict maximum damage with limited resources. They could resort to mining the Strait of Hormuz, deploying suicide boats, or launching cyber attacks on critical infrastructure. The international community's reaction would also be a major factor. The potential for the conflict to escalate, drawing in regional powers, and even sparking a wider global confrontation, would be a constant threat. Section 8, The Limits of Air Power, a measured assessment of the F-A-18's decisive power. The F-A-18 Super Hornet, for all its capabilities, is not a silver bullet. It is but one element, albeit a crucial one, in the vast arsenal of the U.S. military. While it could inflict significant damage on Iranian forces in the initial stages of a conflict, achieving a decisive victory within 24 hours is highly unlikely. War is rarely a clean and surgical affair, especially in the complex and volatile environment of the Middle East. The potential for unintended consequences for civilian casualties and for the conflict to spiral out of control is always present. A sustained campaign against Iran would require a multifaceted approach, involving not just air power but also ground forces, naval assets, cyber warfare capabilities, and a robust diplomatic strategy. For in the realm of international relations, as in life, there are rarely easy answers or quick victories.